The Categories feature in the GuardsPro Back-Office Dashboard helps you organize data across clients, post sites, guards, back-office users, and shift templates. By creating categories, you can keep your dashboard structured and quickly filter or group records. Categories are customizable to fit your business needs, for example, grouping clients by region, organizing post sites by project type, or categorizing guards by skills. This improves navigation, enhances productivity, and reduces clutter. It is easier to organize and identify sites based on business requirements like location or client groups. While categories are not directly tied to scheduling, the skill sets and department features are recommended for managing schedules. Step-by-step guide to manage categories on the Back-Office Dashboard. On the Back-Office Dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and click on Clients. Select Post Sites from the drop-down. Next, click on the Action button and choose Manage Categories from the drop-down menu. On the next screen, click New Category. Enter the category name and description on the pop-up screen, then click Submit. The newly created category will now be available in the system. Similarly, you can add new categories under Post Sites, Security Guards, Back-Office Team Members, and Shift Templates. Manage categories for the existing clients. To manage categories for the existing client, select the respective client and click on the three-dot menu beside that site and select Categorize. A screen pops up. Simply select the existing category name, for example, Retail Stores, Zone B, Healthcare Project. And click Move. That's it. You can follow the same process to manage existing post sites, security guards, back-office team members, and shift templates. Additionally, if categories are already created, you can also assign them to new clients, post sites, and other features while setting them up. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime.